Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am not wearing any liquid blush, powder, or lip gloss, and that is because we are going to be trying out the new Huda Beauty Ube collection. If you guys are excited for that, make sure you subscribe before you get into the video, but without further ado, let's get into it. The first product that I want to try is the Ube Cream Huda Beauty blush filter, and I've never tried any of the Huda Beauty products that I'm trying today, so it's all kind of like first impressions vibes. This is what the product looks like. Very, very cute. I love good packaging, you guys. Like, it makes me so happy. Oh my gosh, this smells so like sweet and like fruity vibes. It definitely smells like a sweet perfumey ube. I kind of love that. This is what the brush is looking like with the product on. I'm just putting a little bit on so we can see how much pigment we're working with. This is looking so pretty already, you guys. Oh my god, I'm excited about this. So this is what we're looking like with the blush on. Isn't that so pretty, you guys? I feel like a blushing bride. Like, no, for real. Because like, it's very that like glow from within vibe. Like, I feel like it's not matte. It's super, super dewy, super blendable, and it's not so pigmented that it's gonna like take over your face. This is gorgeous, you guys. It's like a deep pinky purple, and it's like, I thought it would be like a crazy lilac color, but it's such a gorgeous, like, I don't even know how to describe, like a purpley pink sort of like warmer or maybe even neutral color, because I do have neutral skin, so it kind of reads warm on me, I feel like. Shout out to Huda wherever she's at, but that blush is definitely a win. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in the Ube birthday cake. I love this packaging. It's so pretty. Already from the jump, not me exploding powder everywhere. Let me not laugh too close. This scent is like so much stronger than the one for the blush. I feel like it's like very intense. So if you guys don't like heavily fragranced products, like, please stay away. I've never tried this powder before, and I'm very much excited to see how it works on my skin. This is what the face is looking like with the powder on. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then I will wipe it off with you guys. Okay, so this has been sitting on the face for a few minutes, so let's go ahead and powder this off. I feel like my skin is so dang smooth. This is what the face is looking like now. I think definitely it creates that sort of pinky lilac-y hue. I feel like all of the areas where the blush was are now like even more blush coated, like even more that color, you know what I mean? I normally have like really bad dark circles, and I put a lot of like concealer and powder and stuff to try and fix it, and I feel like because this is sort of a pinkier color, it's definitely making my under eyes a little brighter, and kind of like negating the sort of darkness that I feel like I deal with. I probably wouldn't put it down here in the future again. I feel like this is a section that I really like to be highlighted, and it's looking very blushy, which is, you know, no big deal. I have a corrective powder that I will probably use to go on top a little bit. I feel like if you guys have very pinky or warm tone skin, I'm not sure how this will work for you, just because it does like make everything look super blushy. Okay, so I went ahead and finished off the face. I feel like everything is looking really cute right now. Like, I love how this ube situation is turning out. I want to go ahead and try the lip gloss. I did go ahead and put my favorite lip liner, MAC Whirl, on the outer corner, so that might, you know, affect the look of everything, but this is, you know, how I would wear it. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is their faux filler lip gloss. Also never tried this, and this is in the shade Ooh Baby. These names are so cute. Like, I am obsessed. The color is very consistent. This packaging is so freaking gorgeous. This is what the applicator looks like. Very pretty. This color looks so freaking cute. Ooh, this one smells a little bit, actually a lot more like sweet and like a baked good than the rest of them. The rest of them kind of had more of like that earthy sort of like sweetness. Okay, so this is what the lips are looking like now. Dang, wait, did it made my lips look a little bit bigger and juicier? Like, am I crazy? Okay, maybe I'm a little bit delusional, but you guys are gonna have to tell me what you think my lips look like, but I love this color. I feel like it's got a little bit of that sheer like milkiness to it. I know that sounds kind of gross, but like, you know what I mean when it's kind of like got that sort of lighter with like a little bit of pigment texture, and it feels so freaking good on my lips. I forgot to mention, but the faux filler aspect means that it's infused with collagen. So it's supposed to be, you know, high shine, blurring, pumping, all of that stuff. And this is not one of those spicy lip glosses, which I personally love because they scare me and they hurt so bad, even though sometimes they do work. But I don't know, is this giving me the illusion like I have filler lips now? Let me know. Overall, I think these products are an absolute win. I definitely want to go back and re-up on the Huda Beauty powder in probably like a different color, like maybe a lighter version. I literally didn't have to put any powder blush on top of this. Like it kind of serves as that a little bit. And then the lip gloss I love. I mean, it's kind of hard to go wrong with the lip gloss, to be honest. I do feel like this one is my favorite type of lip gloss, where it feels really smooth and yummy on the lips, and it's a little bit of a thicker vibe, which I prefer sometimes because then it kind of feels like I'm really putting something on versus like a lip balm or, you know, something a little bit thinner. Maybe it's because I'm obsessed with a blush, but I just feel like it blended so well into my skin. I feel like when it dried down, it really stuck to the skin, because sometimes with a liquid blush, it can kind of be a little bit watery, or maybe it doesn't really stick as easily, but this one really stuck and it was so easy to work with. This liquid blush, shout out to her. I feel like I'll probably pick up a couple more shades. The biggest aspect about all of these is definitely the scent. So if you guys don't like the scent, you're just not gonna like the product, simply because it's a very strong scent for each of them and very consistent, I would say. So definitely, if you get a chance to go in store and try it first. I mean, you guys know what kind of scents that I like, very vanilla-y, very yummy, very cakey, like, you know what I mean? If you guys have tried these products, definitely let me know down below, especially if you have a different skin tone than me. I'd love to know if it works for your guys's, and if you guys, you know, like her products in general. I'm like very much a newbie to this zone, so I'm very excited to maybe keep exploring things. If you guys want to see me try out any of her other products, let me know. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed and subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!